Hey y'all, welcome back to the cabin. And today we're harvesting and dehydrating plantain, and we're improvising.
So we've got a pretty good sized bed of plantain, and it is growing like crazy, and I cannot keep up with it, or actually my dehydrator can't keep up with it. I've got a nice 8-tray dehydrator, but all the plantain that we're cutting, and we're trying to keep it cut so that it can continue to grow, can't keep up. So we improvised, and we decided that we would try the car out as a dehydrator, and it works marvelous. I'm telling you, it's much faster than the dehydrator. And actually what we do is we lay it on clean towels in the front and the back, the front dash and the back glass, and we crack the windows just a little bit, just to allow airflow. And on a good sunny day, it's in there maybe 8 hours, and it is completely dehydrated. So this is working great. So this is another little improvisation here on the homestead. I want to show you something that I built a while back. It's a little contraption. Well, it's pretty good size. It's pretty heavy. But it's actually upside down right here for what I originally built it for. And that was a compost sifter. But we turned it over and we use it for a worm casting sifter. And it's probably maybe 2 foot by 2 foot. So, you know, you can see it covers that pan right there pretty good. But there's a reason why I'm showing you this. So this right here is why I wanted to show you the compost sifter that I built. Jerry actually took that same concept and made a mini, not really a sifter. What we're using it for is to pulverize the plantain so that we can store it in the amber jars to have for tea over the winter. And the plantain bed is producing so well till we're going to have plenty of the plantain stored up, and also for my salves, and I'll be able to make a lot more salve because I tend to run out when I try to forage just the wild plantain. But this is really turning out to be a blessing, and you can hear the crunchiness of it. And the wire is what, 1/4 inch? Yeah, 1/4 inch wire, and it just breaks up so quick. And all you really might end up with is just the stems. And you saw that big pile when we started, and how easy it is just to run it through there. It just rubs and breaks down, and we'll be able to put it in our jars and have plenty for the winter. This took all of maybe 2 or 3 minutes to push every bit of that through. And before I was trying to crush it by hand over the funnel or over a bowl, and it just took a lot longer, and this just made quick work of it. So I don't know that I would use it with delicate herbs, but with the plantain, it works fabulous. All right, so we're going to show you, we had a piece of parchment paper underneath it, and you can see how it just kept it clean, and we've got a nice amount there. And now Jerry's going to pick this up and put it in. There's already some in that jar, so that's probably more than what that jar will hold, but we'll fill this jar up, and I'll actually vacuum seal some of these jars. I'll keep one that's probably not vacuum sealed to use out of. So, woo, gotta go get another jar. I'm so excited about this because this saves a ton of work and a ton of time. There you go, you might can pack it down in there. Oh yeah, it's packing down in there good.
You want to pack that tighter and try to get, we got to.
No, we got a lot more to go, so that's good. Awesome.
All right, there you have it. From the raised bed to the jar. But sometimes we have to have a little help to get it there. Have to improvise a little bit and use things for more than one use. But being able to do that is a blessing. And I want to remind you of another blessing. Don't ever forget that your Heavenly Father loves you. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.